everyone. Today we're gonna make some fermented yogurt or probiotic yogurt. Quick note: I'll be commentating this cooking vlog video because I was pretty quiet in a long time because my baby cousin was asleep during the time and I didn't make my voice loud. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. So firstly, set your stove to around 150 to 180 degrees Celsius. Then add in your 1 quart of milk or 950 milliliters and then stir and let it sit heating up for around 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, you you add in 3 tablespoons of plain low fat yogurt and then do the same thing. Stir stir as it heats up, but this time around 5 to 7 minutes. Then after we put in our yogurt inside this jug and let and wrap it around with 2 kitchen towels around the sides and the top. Make sure the kitchen towels are clean and then let it sit to 6 to 12 hours. So the plain low fat yogurt will make a nice custard. So it has been it's already been the next day, and it took a while. It took more than 12 hours for this yogurt to be yogurt, of course. And so right now I check, and it's ready, and it really looks like yogurt, and it tastes like well, I would say it's either a success or slightly failed because it took over 12 hours, and I'm gonna try it out. Yep, that's yogurt, all right. So thank you for watching and of how to make yogurt, and it was quite a success. Thank you, thank you so much for watching. Bye.